There are three main ways to manage assets in MyGeotab. The first of these is the archive option. You'll use this when you have an asset that you no longer require in your database but still want to retain its data so you can run reports on it in the future. To archive an asset, navigate to Vehicles and Assets, click on the asset you'd like to archive, scroll down, and click this Unplug Device button. From this page, be sure to click the Archive Asset option. Once you've done this, the asset will be archived, and you can still run your reports including this one by choosing the Include Archive Data feature available in the Options menu when you run most reports. Here's a quick example of where you would see that. Another thing to note is that once you've archived an asset, it'll show up in your regular device view for the next 7 days unless you choose the Active option in the filter here. If you do not want to keep the data associated with an asset that you're no longer tracking, the next management option is to click the vehicle you'd like to remove, click Remove, and choose the Remove Vehicle button. This will completely remove the asset from your database, and all data associated with it will no longer be able to be retrieved. Just a quick note on this, if you try to delete an asset that has hours of service logs attached to it, the system will give you an error and you'll need to purge those logs first, or just archive the asset instead. The final option here is to replace one Go unit with another. For this one, scroll down and choose the option that says Replace with New Device. All you have to do now is type in the serial number of your new device, click OK, and the new device will be attached to the asset going forward.